Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a coloring book using Canva, just like this one you see here. The best part is that you can do it with just a few clicks, making it super simple and accessible for everyone. You can create beautiful, professional-looking coloring books to sell on platforms like Etsy or Amazon, or just for personal use. Make sure to stay until the very end, because I'm going to guide you through every single step in detail. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin with the creation of our coloring book, the first thing we need to do is go to the home page of Canva. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in canva.com, or simply searching for Canva in your search engine. Once you arrive at the Canva homepage, you will need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free and very easy to sign up. Just follow the prompts to create your account using your email, Google, or Apple ID. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see all your previous designs and options for creating new ones. Now, on the dashboard, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button. This will open a drop-down menu with various design options and a search bar. In this search bar, we're going to type coloring book. As you type, you'll notice that Canva automatically suggests popular formats. You'll see options like coloring book page or coloring book template. Canva is already giving us preset formats that are perfectly sized for coloring books, which is very convenient. However, if you have a specific size in mind, maybe you want custom dimensions for your coloring book, you can click on Customize Size right here. This will allow you to input the exact width and height for your design. For instance, if you want a standard 8.5 x 11 inches for printing, you can enter that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the one that Canva already provided for us, as it's optimized for coloring books. So, I'll just click on the preset coloring book format. First of all, what we have to do is add borders to our coloring book page. Borders help define the edges and make the page look more finished and polished. To do this, it's very easy. We're going to go to the Shapes option, which is located in the left-hand toolbar. Click on Shapes, and you'll see a variety of shapes, like circles, triangles, and squares. I'm just going to click on the square shape. Once you've selected the square, click and drag it onto your design canvas. You want to drag it all the way to the edges so that it covers the entire page, creating a full border. Click and drag from one corner to the opposite corner to make sure it fits perfectly. Once that we have it like this, we're just going to click on this border style option. You'll find this in the top toolbar once the shape is selected. Click on the border style, and you'll see different line styles. We're going to click on the first one, which is a simple, solid line. Here, you can choose how thick you want your border to be by adjusting the line weight. I'm just going to keep it at 2 pixels, so it's nothing too heavy, just a subtle outline. Next, we need to make sure the border doesn't have any fill color, so it doesn't cover our design. So, once you've set the border style, go to the color option in the top toolbar. Click on the color palette, then click on the option that says No Color. This will make the inside of the shape transparent. And there we go. We already have our border set up. It's now a clear outline ready for our design. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways of creating your coloring book content, so you have options depending on your preference and needs. Option 1. Using Canva Elements. Go to the Canva Elements section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Elements. In the search bar within Elements, type the specific element you want to add. It can be anything: animals, flowers, patterns, etc. For example, I'm going to search for bunny. Type it in and press Enter. Under Graphics, you'll see a variety of options. Click on one you like to add it to your page. Resize it and position it inside your border. Canva also suggests related graphics, so you can explore more options for a detailed design. Now, let's add some text. Click Text, then select Title. Type your text. and make it uppercase if you want. Change the font to something fun. I'll use more sugar. To make the letters colorable, click Effects and choose an outline style. You can adjust the thickness so kids can easily color inside. This completes Option 1. Option 2. Using Canva AI. Magic Media. Go to Apps, search for Magic Media, and open it. Type a prompt such as create a bunny in black and white format for coloring book for kids. Choose a style if desired, like watercolor, dreamy, anime, or filmic. Make sure to select portrait format so it fits the coloring book page. Click Generate Image and wait a few seconds. Canva will generate multiple images. Pick the one you like, or click the 3 dots and select Generate More to refine it. Drag the chosen image into your border and resize it to fit perfectly. And now you've created a page using Canva AI. Option 3. Using Creative Fabrica. Go to Google and search Creative Fabrica free graphics. Click the first result. Click Browse Assets and type Free to see available designs. Sign up for a free account to download the graphics. Once downloaded, go back to Canva and click Upload Files. Select your downloaded image and add it to your page. You can crop or resize it to fit inside your border perfectly. And now you have a free, high-quality element to use in your coloring book. Finally, download your coloring book page. Click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred format. PDF or PNG works best for printing or sharing. Click Download, and your page is ready to use. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.